Hi, everybody. My name is John Rodriguez. Welcome to Physics 230, Thermodynamics and Electromagnetism. This course, you may wonder what the heck this course is about. This course is about thermodynamics, which discusses the motion of thermal energy between one system and another, whether due to a volume difference or a temperature difference. And it discusses electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is a huge subject that, in a nutshell, talks about the way that two objects interact because they have electric charge. The first thing, thermodynamics, that's something you're familiar with. You put a piece of bread in a toaster and you turn it on, well, it starts to change color and get hotter. That has something to do with thermodynamics because there's energy transferring from thermal energy transferring from the little coil to the bread, thermodynamics. On the other hand, it also involves electrodynamics because there's electricity, whatever that means, coming into the toaster that makes it work. Okay, so that's a very, very brief description of what this class is about. Let me tell you a little bit about me, first of all. My name is John Rodriguez. I did my undergrad at UC Santa Cruz, go Slugs. I did my graduate work at UC Berkeley, go Bears. I've been teaching at the community college for about 22 years. I taught at Laney College from 1998 to 2007, and I taught at DVC from 2000 until now. I love my job. I really do. I'm lucky. Honestly, I'm lucky to have a job that I love, and I hope that you will be as lucky as I am. This class, what is this class? Well, we've already learned what this class is about. What's it like? Let me tell you right up front, I'm not going to lie. It's a hard class. Why is it hard? It's difficult because there's a lot of material in it. It's difficult because the mathematics are more difficult than you experienced in Physics 130 mechanics. It's difficult because we are going to think and talk about very abstract concepts. We're going to try to understand things that we cannot see ever. In 130, we only talked about things that you can see, like a ball moving through the air. But in 230, there's very little that you can see. And finally, it's going to be difficult because of synthesizing all those things together. Okay? It doesn't mean that you're not going to be able to do it. You will be able to do it. It will require a lot of work. I want to let you know now. That work is going to be done by both of us, but primarily you. The most important thing for you is to show up every day and just be yourself. I'm going to be myself. I can't help it. Don't be ashamed of who you are. Be proud of who you are. And show up every day. And show up prepared. So what I mean by that is make sure that you are interacting with the textbook before you come to class. You've heard that in every single class you've ever taken, and maybe you were able to do well without following those teachers' instructions, but that won't work in this class. I'm pretty sure of that because I've taught this class about 20 times. And one of the things I've seen is that students who tend not to read the textbook tend not to pass the class. And students who tend to read the textbook tend to pass the class. I'm not saying any of this to scare you. I'm saying it so that you know what you need to do in order to be successful. And by successful, I'm assuming, because I haven't talked to you all yet, but I'm assuming that the group will be more or less the same as the other groups I've had. I'm going to assume for now, until I hear differently, that most of you want an A in the class, and that most of you want to transfer to a four-year institution like UC Berkeley, UC Davis, one of those, or CSU, East Bay, or Cal Poly SLO, or some school like that. I'm also going to guess that the majority of you are either engineering or computer science majors. Again, that assumption is based on the experience that I've had over the last several years of teaching this class. So that's enough for now. Physics 230, Thermodynamics and Electromagnetism, me, John Rodriguez, reading the book Important, and you're going to hear those things over and over in more detail as we go along. I look forward to getting to know you, both through our work together in the classroom and through our work together in a remote format. So nice to meet you kind of sort of virtually right now. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.